Now may I call upon Chirag Jain to give his words of wisdom.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I would like to start with this very motivative quote: "You get what you work for, not what you wish for." I'm Chirag Jain. Currently, I'm pursuing the course of Chartered Accountancy alongside Bachelors of Commerce (BCom). My goals are clear: being an entrepreneur, as it is where I can own my destiny. Similarly, you must have a vision. As our principal, ma'am, Sheena ma'am, also added that it is very important to have a vision, as until then you don't know why you're doing whatever you do. Later, you need to develop a mission. That is the way you're going to achieve this vision. Today, I would like to share some tips on how I could score so well and how you too can do it. Tip number one is to limit your sleep time to 6 to 7 hours and allow the rest of your time in the day to effective study. But after this lockdown के 12 घंटों की नींद की आदत से, you will take some time, but it will help you fetch more time in the day. Next is meditation, and I say meditation is a must for every student. Meditating just 5 minutes a day will help you improve your concentration. I don't suggest gymming as that gets you tired and you need to do something to get yourself active. You could add a walk or a yoga to your routine. Next is to keep a plan ready for your day. On a regular school basis, you don't need a planner. Revision of whatever is taught in the school is enough. And then after your syllabus is complete, make a revision planner in time slots. Let's say from 8 to 11, I'll do accounts, 11:30 to 2, I'll do economics, and so on. Next is to take breaks between the time you study, but don't take up your phones in that break time. You could close your eyes, lie on the bed for 5 to 10 minutes, and keep your mind calm. This will help you get refreshed before your next slot to study. It's also not just like you need to keep studying all the time. You can give some time to your hobbies as well. Also, you must find some time to develop few skills in you. You can also take out time for social media activities and everything, but not more than 10 to 15 minutes a day. So don't waste your time, invest it. Another important thing is practice for practical subjects. 12th में रिंकी मैम ने पूरे साल इतनी प्रैक्टिस करवाई कि एक दिन में एक पेन खत्म हो जाता था. But this helped me a lot on my exam day. I could complete my paper before time. Also, working on logic is important, as whatever you study in your 11th and 12th is actually applicable in your real life, and you'll earn for applying that logic at your work. Also, logic will help you a lot in your practicals. Practical exams are equally important as your board exams, and your viva depends on how well is your conceptual clarity and research on the projects. And last is cumulative revision. After daily revision of what is taught, you must revise it weekly. Every Sunday must be your revision day. And then this is the end of my tips, and these tips actually work. Following this will surely help you. But yeah, if you might feel lazy also or have no mood to study many times, at that time you can remember your vision. That will surely give you motivation. And also remember, dedication and determination is what drives you to success. And by this, even I was able to secure 96 percentage in my 12th board examination. And for making this possible, I would like to thank the teachers of Vaidehi, without whose mentorship, support, and guidance this wouldn't have been possible. Rinki ma'am and Chavi ma'am had given us best guidance and motivation. Each topic was explained with logic, which helped me excel. I also thank Kanjali ma'am and Bhavna ma'am, who gave us support and motivation to do well. A thank you is quite a small written you could offer them. But a big thanks to Vaidehi teachers, management, and our ex-principal, Mrs. Senior Sajid. I also thank my parents for all their support and my classmates for a memorable year. This school provided me with the right platform and will surely keep providing to all the students. Vaidehi School of Excellence is a great choice for your great future. Thank you.